Here is the Toyota Corolla. Now there are door sensors on each of the four doors. I'm just going to show you on the left side door. Open the front driver's side door and that's a sensor right over there. To get the sensor out, we need to take the one bolt out, and for that you need a Torx 30 T30 screwdriver bit. Without it you cannot do this job, and that's the only tool you need. So let's go ahead and put the screwdriver in there and then really push it down and then twist it left, because the bolt's going to be on there pretty tight and you don't want to strip the bolt head when you're trying to unscrew it. So let's just go ahead, get it out and keep it safe, get the sensor out, and now we need to get the electrical connector off of the sensor. But you have to be sure that you do not let go off of the electrical connector, because there's not a whole lot of wire length over there, and if you let it go, it's going to go back sucked into the body, and then it's going to be a lot more work to fish it out. So just keep one finger over there, just get the new sensor. It only goes back on in one way. Slide it onto the electrical connector and then click it till it's secure, and now let's just put it back into the body. Now it's important that you do not lose that bolt, because that bolt not only holds the sensor in place but it also completes the electrical connection. So without the bolt there, the electrical connection will not be complete and the new door sensor will not work. So let's put it back in and tighten it down, and let's try this out. I'm pressing and letting it go over here. Let's see if it reflects on the dash, and yes, it does. That is pretty much it. Now let's move on to the rear door. Open the door and right over there is a sensor. No differences whatsoever in terms of the tool needed. It's the same Torx 30 T30 screwdriver bit. Get the bolt out, and when you're getting the sensor out, you have to sort of take it out at an angle, because the connector at the back is a little bit different, as you can see. But once it's out, same thing, get the electrical connector off of the door sensor and do not let go off of it, because it's going to go back in just as the front door. Get the new sensor and then slide it back on and click it in place. Now when you're putting it back into the body, you have to again maneuver it at an angle, get it in place, and then just put this door sensor bolt back on and tighten it down. And let's try this out as well. Same thing at the front, this is working and you can see it on the dashboard. And that is pretty much it. Hope you found the video useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.